Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a brand new release, The Visionary Woman Tarot by Kristine Gorman. Now, Kristine is actually a professional tarot reader and has been for lots and lots of experience, so I'm really looking forward to looking at this deck. It has a back on the bit, oh my good lord. Should I just speak? I'll give up now. No, I'm not going to. Featuring the magical art of Kristine Gorman, it captures the essence of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck, but expands it to tie the mystical to the everyday, stimulating the unconscious and psychic parts of yourself in order to obtain practical real-life answers to personal and profound questions. You do not need to be a woman to access Visionary Woman Tarot. The archetypes portrayed here, including Rachel Pollack as the world, would have a vibration that is otherworldly and expansive. These cards are spiritual wisdom nuggets designed to nudge epiphanies, make real change, and find soulful solutions in your daily magical life. Okay, so that's the box. It's quite a big box. Put it to one side. And here's the book. It's been years in the making and is my life's work. It's the culmination of experience being an overall badass full-time tarot reader, an artist and an outsider with mystical proportions, usually in overalls. Well, you can visually see it, can't you? I see the tarot cards as little visionary puzzle pieces that remind us we are not alone. Oh, I like that. Okay, so you go through these. We've got the healer equation, and then she goes straight into the major arcana. I'm not going to let you look at all these now. I'm going to have a look on you. Then you've got the court cards. So she puts all the court cards, groups them together. Okay, and then we have all the aces. So old school. Aces, twos, threes. Oh no, she is going through all the wands. Cups. Okay, so just the aces, and then we go into the suits. Okay, there she is. And then you've got some spreads at the end. A card back. What's she saying about the card back? I did wonder about them actually when I saw them. The discs on the card back are the ancient Greek coins found in Calabria, where my grandfather is from, or Calabria, where my grandfather is from. These coins were the source and inspiration for my pentacles. They are the currency of life. The border on the back of the cards is from the death card. Because we die so many times in one lifetime, if we celebrate the release of the past, we blossom and bless what comes next. Lovely. Okay, so let's have a look at it. She's obviously mentioned these have got like an antique gold kind of gilding. It's like a bit of a rose gold, sorry, as opposed to a bright, shiny gold. Very, very, very smooth in the hand to move. I do like Rockpool's decks for that. And they're a good size, so I can shuffle them with my poorly hands very well. I'm not going to do that because obviously I'm going to show you them. Read them. Right. Is there no glare? There's no glare. Through the magic door. Chariot. So there's the rays that she mentioned. Is that like a spine? Looks like the vertebrae of a spine, doesn't it? I'm going to have a check in a second because I think actually I'm going to do that now. And there's Rachel Pollack. So let me have a little look there. Which one was it? It was... I want to see if she provides... What was it again? No. There we go. Yes, it is the spine. A jolt to the spine and foundation is the image of this card. So it's really good because she actually gives you the image descriptions as well. So you're why wondering, you don't have to wonder. And this is where we have the Rider-Waite base. Happy home. We've got cups. These have got a really good feel about them. I think you could use these as a daily deck, as a reader, I mean. They would wear well. And they are easy to connect with. You can feel the energy. Can you feel it? Or is it, it's just, there's the rainbow, the growth, the happy home. Happy ever after, we call that. And the swords, the most difficult of all suits, the swords, because it's all in our mind. These are our thoughts. Yeah, she's done a good job of easing the angst around the swords. Okay, in the final suit, the Pentacles. That's much better than the others, isn't it? Where you've got the church in the background and they're in the cold snow. Or they're on a merry-go-round, aren't they? Yeah, you could get lost in these. You really could. Really well done. Really good. Like she said, it's been her life's work, and you can tell. You can tell. Okay, so I really like this. I recommend this one. It's got a great feeling about it if you like the artwork, because of course, remember, it's all about style as well, isn't it? But I would imagine that would very quickly become a very good workhorse. Okay, so that's it. It is called The Visionary Woman Tarot, but as she said, you don't have to be a woman to read it, by Kristine Gorman. I hope you've enjoyed that. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.